Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram account from your computer in some very easy steps. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Open your Instagram app. Firstly, you just simply have to open your Instagram app. After opening the app, you can choose the options. Here, you just simply have to click this blue sign up button. Enter the details. Now, after clicking the sign up button, it will give you many boxes to fill up. You have to start with either a mobile number or an email address. I'm signing up with an email address, so I just simply have to put the email address in this box. And after putting the email address, you just simply have to enter your full name into the second box, just like the full name. Now, you have to put your username into the third box. After entering the username, it will give you the option to set the password for your Instagram. And after entering the email address, full name, username, and password, you just simply have to click into the blue sign up button. Enter your birth date. Now, after entering all the details, you have to enter your birth date into this step and simply click to the next. Enter the confirmation code. After entering the birth date, Instagram will ask for the confirmation code. You just simply have to enter the confirmation code that you received in the email that you provided before. Just simply enter the confirmation code and click to the next button. After completing this step, your Instagram account is successfully created. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss another update from the channel.